Woo! You on?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, yes.
That was straight away. You sit on that pole.
Go on, boy.
Oh, shit.
Yes.
Bro, that's big.
Is it?
It's big.
Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
it's a
That's a Brimo.
It's a big Brimo.
Bro.
Ah, where'd he go?
Oh, yeah. Bring it in here. Oh! Dude.
Holy shit.
Dude, that's
Holy shit.
that's massive.
That's probably my PB.
Bro.
My biggest is 40. 36, 37.
He felt bigger, didn't he?
Nah, that's pretty. That's legal flathead size, bro.
Yeah. Let him go.
Ah! Here he goes. Yeah. Go on.
Hell yeah. Well done. Look how big it is.
Holy shit.
I knew it was a little flathead. It's tiny. Damn, that's 2 for you. Here we go. Yeah. Ready?
Bro, that's so cool. Get a big 80 centimeter fly.
Dude, let me catch one. Oh, you're a bit bigger.
It's probably the same fucking one.
Oh, come on. Oh, what is that?
Ah, it's a pike.
A pike?
Get it away. No, keep it away.
It's pulling, bro. It's pulling. What? What?
Get up
It's
and
behind me. Oh, bro.
Get up and eat it.
Oh, that would nail
Do
you.
you know what a long tongue is?
Yeah.
It's fucking long tongue. You can't eat them though.
Oh, shit. It nearly jumped out like a crocodile.
Oh,
There we go.
look how long that
Look
is.
at it.
Holy shit.
Told you you catch 3 fish and I'll catch the biggest. That was good fun though. I'm having
Scary
fun.
though.
Did you feel it pushing us?
Yeah.
It went underneath. When did you realise it wasn't a flathead?
After it jumped out of the water midair.
Alright, let's get back into it. Oh. Yes.
Cast it like 100 times.
Yes. 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 Oh. Yes, bro.
Best flatty. Feel good.
Yes, bro. Nice little 34.
Yeah, nice, bro.
Just feels good, bro. Like on a lure. Ready? Yes, bro.
Fuck yes.
Oh, bro, they pull. Oh, yeah. It's fun, eh? Yeah.
Jump at me. It's getting too close.
Oh! How'd we get the old one off?
Oh, it's like a crocodile. It's scary.
Oh!
He's gonna jump.
Oh!
Don't jump right now.
Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Got him. Ah! Oh! Bro, I didn't try to let him go.
So scary.
He slipped out of their lip grips.
They're deadly. I don't like them at all.
When you freak out, it freaks me out.
He's gonna jump at me.
Where is it?
Taylor.
He's gone.
Holy shit, that's so much bigger.
Really?
Oh, I fucking missed.
Oh! We'll do what we did. Oh! Ah! That's a meter.
Oh my god.
Ah! You're gonna lose your lure. Ah! Bro, he's underneath you.
Holy shit.
What the hell? Dude, that's like a barra. It's like catching a barra. Oh, someone's ringing us.
Bro, can you get him or not?
Yeah.
He's gone.
No, he's not. He's not.
No, I can't see him gone. Don't let him jump, he's gonna jump. Jump at me.
No, he's
Oh,
not.
he's gonna jump at me. On time.
Ah!
Bro.
Bro. Ah! Ah!
Holy
Dude,
shit.
it was coming for me.
Bro, this is so scary.
Where'd it go?
Oh my god.
Ah! Ah!
Get you off. I don't want to touch you.
Ah!
Hold the paddle over the line. Over the line, bro. Bro. Fuck off. I'm scared.
Ah!
Bro. I'm gonna die. Don't let him jump in the boat. Oh my god, he's staring at me. He's playing.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh my god. Bro, that is a big long. Who's ringing us? We didn't answer the first time. We're not gonna answer the second time. Holy shit, look how long he is, bro. What the fuck? Don't let him jump, he's gonna jump. Oh my god.
Ah!
Push the line, the line, the line.
Oh, bro.
Ah! Oh shit!
Ah!
It's an Amy.
Hold him up. Let him go, let him go. Bro, that is a...
That's amazing. He's gonna kill me. What is the teeth on it, bro?
Oh, no.
Can I touch him?
Bro, I had to do
Ah!
that. Can I touch him?
Yeah, do it. He's gonna eat you.
Bro, don't. Oh, he's all slimy.
Yeah.
You could probably eat it.
That's
He's
like
like an eel, yeah.
He's like a bloody barracuda.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Go away! Holy shit.
Dude, how many times did we scream?
Who's fucking ringing this?
I don't know. Little trevally, mate. Yeah, chuck him back.
What is
Bro, I don't know. Oh, oh, oh. No, it's a brim. That is another good brim. Look at that.
You good?
Yeah. Bro,
Jesus Christ.
it's a decent sized brim for sure, mate. I reckon he's smaller than the last one.
It's about 33, 34.
Yeah.
Almost about a centimetre smaller than the last one.
Yeah. 34 centimetre brim. It's a good fish, mate. Chuck him.
So, mate.
Are you good?
Straight away, as soon as it went under, he snapped it. Oh, you're wetting me, mate.
Nice little brimbo. He'd be only just a league away.
Armed.
Yeah, he'd be
Yeah, no.
26, 27. Oh,
His eyes are a bit munted.
go. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Flatty? Yes.
Mate, let me get mine in.
Oh,
on,
shit.
dude.
Oh, shit.
Bro,
Double hook up, boy.
mine's big, fuck.
Is it? Well, get mine in first, too.
Get it over the other side.
Is he on? Oi, oi. What you doing?
Take it over the other side.
I'm trying to. Bro, help me. Get it in.
Mine's off now.
Oh, did ya?
Oh, I think it's just on blue.
Oh, yeah.
How'd you get in? Really a bit.
Oh. Yes. Yes, that's a good one. Oh, whoa. God, they fight, don't they? Oh. Jesus Christ. 42. Jeez, I'm happy with that. Bro, I catch a decent fish and you're like, get mine! Oh, he may come off.
Look at it.
Oh no. Little one. Nice little one. Look at him. Oh yeah. You on?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Oh yeah.
Ah.
That's still cool though.